Today is a day for Thanksgiving. We want to thank God and we want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We want to thank him for his magnanimity in fracturing and midwifing the peace accord. Even if the peace accord is one-sided, our peaceful and peace-loving governor has said, there is no price that is too much to pay for what? Peace. There is no price that is too much to pay for what? Peace. That is why you see us here, we are all peaceful. Are we not peaceful? Yeah. Peaceful. Some people say they want commission market. We say make them go. Because if we say make them not go, they no go. I mean, they not go. They go feel go if we say make them not go. Because our governor said we should be peaceful, we are peaceful. And I want to use this opportunity to thank the simplified movement and the simplified family in Rivers State. The reason is because these are trusted, tested, and committed party faithfuls, members, people with credibility, people with integrity, who have decided to stand on the path of truth, justice, and fairness. We are standing on truth, justice, and what? Fairness. We are God, the people. We always ask for something. And what we ask for fairness. We ask for justice. You understand? That is why we say, if you want to come and take Ogoni oil, consult with the people. If you want us to support you, consult with the people. Do not force us to support you. Can you be forced to support somebody? No. Were you forced to come here? No. You came here because you love who? You love seeing Fubara. And now that you have come, I want to beg all of you, our mothers, our sisters, our brothers, our friends. Come and listen to what governor wants to say to you. Come outside the canopy. Come out and listen. So that you know that project that is going to your village. So that you hear the next appointment that is coming. Is it your brother? Is it your sister? Because Fubara is for everybody. Fubara is for everybody. Well, today is not the day for talking too much. But what I want to tell you, and tell all of us here, as you live here, go to your work. Talk to your people. Tell them not to be afraid. Tell them to come out boldly and follow St. Fubara. Fubara is running an open government. Anything you want, I'm going to give you his email. I'm going to give you his phone number. Send that message by WhatsApp to him. Say in Sogo or in Kani or in Bowe, and so thing, oh God, this road no good. This one no good. You'll be shocked. In 1 week, you'll see people to come and look at that road. That is the type of governor you are supporting. I mean, put your hands together for the government. The government, our governor does not do through somebody. He dey do direct. So don't be afraid. Don't forget when you go to your ward meeting, to your chapter meeting, to your unit meeting, write your name and your phone number because that thing you are writing is getting to the governor. One day, if they call you. I think people have benefited from the empowerment thing they have done before. No. And they are doing another one again. The one they want to do now, that they have taken 60 or 50 something names per ward. I hope people have written down your names. Yes. If he never reach you, we will still send more list come. Yes. We will send more come for the next meeting for your ward, for your chapter. Make sure you come to that meeting. But for now who will go follow? Now who will they support? Thank you very much and God bless you.
To please come and add his voice and encourage our people for 2 minutes. Put your hands together for him as he's coming. Christian Ahapon is a former member of Freedom State.